Hello friends, in the previous session we just seen that how to render HTML as an output in the Node.js. Now this video is about that how to render the JSON as a result. So let's start. Simply what we did, we just defined the content type as a HTML text/HTML for the HTML file. Now we will see for the JSON. Just remove the code and we are writing the code like response as a set header. We will set the header like content type application/json and response dot end. It will be end with the json dot stringify, a name we just defined. You can write this like response dot write, and in that just write this code and just save this and run over here. So you will get the JSON as a output. Now let's suppose I'm taking a variable where JSON data equal to, and I will define the JSON object over here, ID, which will be 1, name, subject like programming, and just use this object over here, and we just simply doing json.stringify to convert the JSON into string. Just save it and refresh your browser, so you will get the object over here like JSON data ID name 1. If you want to access the particular one value from the object, so you will do the object name dot ID, so it will return only ID. And this is because we are just accessing one attribute over here. And let's run this, refresh your browser, you will get the ID. If you want to get the name only, then you will just access JSON data dot name, you will just get the name. So this is all about the JSON response in our HTML application. So you can do it easily. Thanks for watching.